So I decided to repeat a recipe that I learned over the summer and my beautiful friend was teaching me. Let's talk about shrimps. Let's see what you are going to do. I don't know, I'm not cooking.
You are.
You're cooking. You are.
Okay, please.
My beautiful friend Jenna and her husband Joel, they're so generous and such wonderful cooks. I always try to get them to cook with me, but they're very shy. Or they're just fed up with me. Or both. I just don't want to miss a beat because they're so good. And she's making a very surprising recipe that we eat all the time, all over Portugal. And it's just such an easy recipe, but the result is stunning. And I couldn't believe it, how easy it is. You boil the shrimp.
Yeah.
With half an onion for 1 minute.
With anything, without anything. So I put but
And then you put in a frying pan with the...
done.
No, just this with with the salt and...
No, this with water.
Okay.
And it's boiling during 1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute.
That's all.
The thing is, Jenna is a genius. She's making this recipe that is just so simple, and I thought it was going to be boiled and then we put in a frying pan to make a huge sauce. No, it was simplicity, the queen of the night. And we're going to have the most exquisite shrimps just boiled for 1 minute. And that is as simple as you get, just with 1 onion in the pot, water and garlic, and then adding the shrimps. Allow the water to start boiling, and then you count 1 minute, switch off, and let's see what is the next step. We're counting 1 minute.
Agora que eu acho que já
Guardas a água para fazer a espinha?
Agora vai pôr. Espera assim, né?
Boom, done. 1 minute.
No.
Now, cold water, so it starts cooking. Sim. Now we add salt. Yeah, a handful of salt. Now, a little bit more. Espera, põe assim aqui para mostrar. Oh my god, so good. Põe.
Não queria pôr mais.
Não, chega. Mas vai pôr depois lá no prato.
Sim, não,
Now we serve with love and bon appétit.
Vocês levem isso e vocês deixam ali. Vamos lá ver se estão bons ou não. Espera, parece. Faça assim.
Tá, filmara. And garlic.
I like
So good. So good. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. It's always so important for the growth of the channel. I love that you become a wonderful Gabrielian.